This is Jesus. Not just a name, not just a man, not just a story told on Sundays. He was born in a stable, not a palace. Welcomed by the poor, not the powerful. Yet kings feared him, and angels sang for him. He touched lepers when no one else would. He spoke to outcasts when no one else dared. He forgave sinners, calmed storms, and flipped tables when religion got in the way of love. They hated him for loving too boldly. They feared him because he couldn't be controlled, and they killed him, thinking they'd silence the truth. Voiceover, quiet, heavy pause. But the grave couldn't hold him. Death couldn't beat him. And now, hope has a name. Forgiveness has a face. And love has a story. This is Jesus. He's not distant. He's not religion. He's not a myth. He's here. For the broken. For the doubters. For you. Jesus. Real. Alive. For you. The question isn't, do you know about him? The question is, do you know him? End screen. Subscribe, share, comment.